Hello everyone, I am Komal Wahi, and in this video I will be talking about bias and variance trade-offs. Whenever we discuss model predictions, it's important to understand prediction errors, that is bias and variance. There's basically a trade-off between the model's ability to minimize bias and variance. Gaining a proper understanding of these errors will help us form accurate models. So let's start with the basics. By bias, we basically mean the difference between predicted values and actual values. This situation of bias produces high training and testing errors. While talking about the variance, variance is the variability of model predictions for a given data point or a value which tells us the spread of our data. Such models perform very well on the training data and has a high testing error. We observe a high bias is basically a condition of underfit model. That is a model that does not fit the data well. While high variance is observed in a condition of overfitting. That is a model that fits the data too much. So as you can see in this picture, the left diagram, that is this one, is a condition of high variance or overfitting since it fits the data too much. While the right picture, that is this one, is a condition of high bias, that is underfitting. It is clearly visible that the red line does not fit the data well, while in this case the red line, that is the prediction, fits almost all the data points. Now the question is, why is there a trade-off between these two? If our model is too simple and has few parameters, we have high bias and low variance. While on the other hand, if a model has high and large number of parameters, we have a case of high variance and low bias. So we need to find a right and a good balance between these two without underfitting or overfitting our data. To conclude, a good model should have a good balance between bias and variance, such that it minimizes the errors. The optimal balance would not overfit or underfit the model. Therefore, understanding bias and variance is critical for understanding the behavior of predicted models. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more such informative videos. Goodbye.